Problem 4.38, stock returns. Here are the yearly returns on common stocks for the 50 years from 1950 to 1999, arranged from smallest to largest. The returns are rounded to the nearest whole percent. So the first part of the problem asks you to construct a histogram with the data provided. To start your histogram, you need to figure out the frequencies of the values. The problem asks you to make the class widths multiples of 10. And this means that you would start with negative 26 in anything up to, but not negative 16. And then your next group would start with negative 16, then go up to, but not negative 6. And so on until you reach 56. Then you count how many of the numbers from the data fits within each group. And voila. So now you're going to count how many values are within the classes using your data table above. So there's 1 for that one, 6, 7, 9, 14, 9, 3, and 1. From here, you can make your histogram. Remember to label the x-axis is the common stock returns with units percent. And your x-axis is the count in units. Oh, your y-axis is the count in units. And the whole histogram is called common stock returns. And a tip to make while making your histogram is make sure the bars touch. So you're going to label your x-axis. Using your values in the frequency. The highest count we had was 14, so make sure your graph goes up to 14 counts. Now draw your histogram, making sure the bars touch. Very good. After your graph is finished, you can see that the graph is skewed right. The center, if you look back to the data, is the average of 16 and 17. Since they are the middle values, you should get 16.5 as the center. The spread would be shown by the 5-number summary, since the data is skewed. You can find the numbers by going to Stat, Calc, number 1, Enter, and you should end up with -26 as your minimum, 4 as your first quartile, 16.5 as your center, 27 as your third quartile, and 50 as your maximum value. Part B asks for something you learned, asks for the most interesting thing you discovered about returns on common stocks over this period of time. What I found interesting was that it was a gradual increase, and then it hit center, and then dropped. Thank you.